What do you got there, Albert?
Let's have some fun! Hey guys, welcome to my adventure. So this is my mom here, and she loves me and kisses me. A-L-B-R-T, hours. To find the treasure hunt. Let's go! Whoa. Oh, I think I stepped in the poop.
Uh-oh. What happened? You step on the poop?
Yeah.
Oh no!
You stepped in the poop, Cassie, in the shoe? Let me see it. You stepped it.
Oh no, I didn't step on the poop. There's no poop. It's clean, it's just muddy. Okay, let's go and find the treasure hunt. Where is the treasure hunt?
There!
Where? Where is it? Where? I cannot see it.
You see it?
Where is it? Wow! What is that?
It's GMC!
GMC? That's a DeLorean, baby.
Ah!
What is that?
Green! It's green! It's green car! Ma, where is it? Ah!
What is that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah, there are two of them. Two of them!
Two of them?
Yeah. What?
Where else?
Ah!
What is that?
Ford!
Ford! Yeah!
Ah!
What is
that? All of them.
What is that?
Ford!
Ford! Where else we can find, Albert?
Ah!
There's another one right there.
Cadillac!
Wow! Where else?
I did that. Ambulance station! It's ambulance station! Ow! Where is it?
What is that?
Audi! Let's go open it. We got a red car. I got it. This is my blue one and same like a red one.
Wow, it's the same.
And let's open the gray one. There's another one.
3 of them?
Yeah. DeLorean.
Yeah, what color is it?
Gray and red. And here comes blue.
Which one is your favorite?
This one.
The blue one?
Yeah.
Very nice, very pretty.
Beauty. Audi.
Nice.
Another Audi! Ah! Audi!
Wow, very nice. What color is it?
White, yellow, and red.
What do you got there, Albert?
Jeep. Ford. Ford.
Ford. What color is it?
Gray and black and red. Uh-oh. Al Camino.
Yeah, what color is it?
Purple. Ford.
Yeah, what color is that?
It's red and white and black. Green Mazda.
Green Mazda.
It's Cadillac.
Cadillac, yeah, very nice. What color is it?
Brown.
It's brown.
Ambulance station.
Yeah.
Let's 3, 2, 1, open. Woo! Yes. To go. Where is it? Go here.
Helicopter rescue.
You saved this car. My helicopter. Bye. Like to subscribe.